Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super useful topic: how to compress PDF file size without losing quality in 2025. Whether you're a student submitting assignments, a professional sharing reports, or just someone trying to free up space on your device, this guide will help you shrink those bulky PDFs without sacrificing clarity or images. Let's dive right in. First off, why bother compressing PDFs? In 2025, with larger files becoming the norm, it saves storage, speeds up uploads, and makes sharing easier, all while keeping your documents looking professional. The key is using tools that optimize intelligently without degrading quality. Step 1. Start with an online tool like SmallPDF or iLovePDF. These are free and straightforward. Just upload your PDF, select the compression option that preserves quality, and download the optimized file in seconds. For example, SmallPDF uses advanced algorithms to reduce file size by up to 50% without touching resolution. Step 2. If you prefer desktop software, fire up Adobe Acrobat. Open your PDF, head to the Tools menu, and choose Optimize PDF. Here, you can adjust settings to remove unnecessary data like hidden layers or optimize images, ensuring the file stays crisp. Adobe's 2025 updates make this even smarter, automatically detecting what can be compressed. Step 3. For a built-in solution, try Google Drive. Upload your PDF, right-click it, select Open With, and then Google Docs, make a copy, and export it back as a compressed PDF. This method is great for quick fixes and works seamlessly with your Google account. Step 4. Always preview your compressed PDF before finalizing. Double-check that text is sharp, images aren't blurry, and hyperlinks still work. If needed, tweak the settings and recompress. There you have it. Simple steps to compress your PDFs effectively in 2025. This not only saves time but also keeps your files professional. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.